A trailing stop loss is a type of stop loss order that moves with the price when the market goes in your favor. It helps you lock in profits automatically while still giving your trade room to grow. Think of it like a safety net that follows you upwards in a long trade or downwards in a short trade when you are doing futures trading. Hi, I'm Uncle Wealth and I'm welcoming you to the Satoshi African Academy channel. Here we are spreading crypto adoption across Africa for positive use cases. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a trailing stop loss. So, to set up a trailing stop loss, the first thing we need to do is go to our crypto trading platform. In our own case, we are going to be using Bybit. And we're going to wait for it to load. And after it loads, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to the trade tab. Now I've already entered a short trade that we're going to use to set this up. So when you enter your trade, in this case we have entered a short trade, we are banking on the price going lower. You're going to see under the positions tab, you're going to see a set TP and SL, that is set your take profits and your stop loss. You're going to see close buy, that's if you want to close the trade, and you're going to see trailing stop. What you want to click on is this trailing stop. So I am going to highlight that for you. This is our trailing stop. That is what you're going to click on. So once here, you need to understand that there are two different ways of setting up a trailing stop after you've opened your position. You can either set by distance or you can set by rate. When you set by distance, you're simply saying trigger a stop market order when the price retraces from the best price after activation by your preset price distance. So in this case, your distance here is going to be based on a particular price that you want. So in this case, my entry price is $0.15. So if I said I want the trade to close automatically if price retraces by, let's say, $0.3, you can see it will reflect here. Stop loss order will be triggered when last traded price retraces from the best price by 0.3 USDT. So by distance is by USDT, and the other alternative is by rate, where you trigger a stop loss order when the price retraces from the best price after activation by your preset percentage. So in this case, you put in by percentage. So whatever suits you based on your own trading style, that is what you decide. But for me personally, most times I prefer to use the distance where we measure by the dollar amount. So in this case, we can put in our figure here. Another thing you need to know is that there's also an activation price, which means when the price of the asset reaches this particular price, your trailing stop will automatically activate. So let's say now this is a short, and our entry price, you can see our entry price here is 0.15408, and our market order, that is the current price, is 0.13721. Now if I decide when price drops to 0.12, my trailing stop should be automatically activated. What I'll do is I'll come over here and place and type in 0.12, and I will say, hey, once price reaches 0.12, stop loss should be triggered if the last traded price retraces from the best price by 0.4 USDT. Now that is based on the trade I entered, the position I entered for this presentation. So now I've set that up, all I need to do is confirm. As you can see, currently the trailing stop is not yet active. If you have noticed that it is not yet active. Why? Because price has not yet reached 0.12. Price is currently 0.13711. So when price drops to 0.12, this will be activated. If it will be activated for the retracement of 0.4 USDT for you to close the trade. So it's as simple as that. So why do traders use trailing stop loss? You need to understand that. One of the reasons traders use trading stop loss is that it protects your profits automatically. You don't need to keep watching the charts. So which means you can just set it up and go about your business. If it is a short trade or a long trade, you set it up and go about your business. Once it reaches, it will execute automatically. Another reason is that it allows your winners to run. So gone are those days where you get worried and you just immediately keep on sweating on the charts, looking at your results. So it allows your winners to run. In essence, it does not cap your win too early. So, and number 3 is that it reduces emotional trading. This helps to protect you from making emotional decisions based on fear or greed. So that is the beauty of stop loss. Now, I'm going to say this again in case you still didn't understand it. The difference between a trailing stop loss from a normal stop loss, which we can see here, if you want to set a normal stop loss, you can set it here. A normal stop loss will be set here. That's your normal SL. If you click the SL here, this is where you can put in your SL, your normal stop loss. Now, the normal stop loss is fixed. It does not move. While in a trailing stop loss, the trailing stop loss moves. The trailing stop loss price moves only when the market direction favors you. So as long as that direction keeps on favoring you, the trailing stop loss will keep on moving. It will keep on moving. It will keep on moving. So it's as simple as that. Now, if you already set it up and you want to cancel it, all you need to do is go back to your trailing stop loss button. That's here. You go back to your trailing stop loss button and then you click trailing stop loss. All you need to do is to clean everything up and cancel it. If it's on your PC, If it's on a PC, you definitely see, your cancel button. But over here, all you just need to do, is to just, delete everything and click on confirm on mobile, and you'll notice that everything automatically, gets cleaned off. If you notice here, there is no more trailing stop loss. So that is how to execute your trailing stop loss. It works the same way on Bybit, it works the same way on Binance and any other platform. All you need to do is know how to take advantage of it. So if you've gotten value from this video, like it and share it with other beginners. We are after spreading crypto adoption across Africa. And please, if you have any other topics or questions, share it in the comments and we will respond to it. See you in the next one. Bye.